Do you know that you can change your own mind with just 2 words? I've got a very powerful exercise called mental equivalence, and I'm going to help you create the 2-word phrases that will absolutely change your life. Hello family, this is Stacy with Minecraft, and I want to share an idea regarding mental equivalence. Mental equivalence means that I need to have in my mind an idea that is equivalent to the manifestation that I want to create. You know, I oftentimes talk about working your mind out, exercising your mind. This is a great example of how to exercise your mind in the direction of your goals and your dreams and the direction that you want to achieve in your life. And so I'm going to give you, for example, several mental equivalents. And the whole idea here is to just give you a structure of what they look like. These exercises won't mean a whole lot unless you sit down with a clean sheet of paper and do them for yourself. This is the exercise that I did today on mental equivalence regarding life. You see, what I'm attempting to do is to get you to do forward thinking. I need you to think about what you want your life to look like, what you want your life to be like, what you want to experience in your life tomorrow, next week, next month. And it goes like this. I want a fun-filled life. Most of these quotes are 2-word quotes, but I want you to hear this. I want a fun-filled life. I want a life that's smooth and easy. I want a life that's laser-focused. I want to be really organized. You hear these 2-word phrases and how powerful they are? I want to be ahead of the curve and never behind. I want to be a great father. I want to be a great person. I want to be goal-oriented. What I am attempting to do here is to tell my spirit and to tell my mind what it is to achieve tomorrow. Tomorrow mind, tomorrow spirit, tomorrow soul, I want to experience victory. I'm telling my mind to go tomorrow and experience victory. And when I get to tomorrow, I'm expecting that my mind and my spirit will have created victories for me. I'm telling my mind that I want more freedom. I'm telling my spirit that I want constant achievements. I want big breaks. I want to live large. I want beautiful relationships. I want to look good. I want to feel good. I want favor and support. I want to feel loved. You hear where I'm going, folks? I'm projecting positivity over my life through 2-word statements. Very powerful. I want you to begin to speak mental equivalence over your life, and even more so, if you folks keep journals or you pull out a clean sheet of paper, I want you to write 2-word phrases down that represent what you want to have, be, or do in your life. Mental equivalence is an extremely powerful exercise, and I'm going to continue to share many of them with you. Mental equivalence about prosperity, mental equivalence about your health, mental equivalence about your situations and your circumstances. We've got to learn to change our own mind, and mental equivalence is one of those really powerful exercises that you can do on a daily basis or even moment-to-moment basis to help you continue to drive forward in your life. My name is Stacy, and this is Minecraft, and I just want you to have a powerful 2-word idea in your mind. Tomorrow is going to be a fantastic day.